Greetings! Welcome back to the channel. We're doing an unboxing today of a awesome new kit that I got, and it's not a model kit from Gaahleri. What's that tell you? But we're going to do an unboxing, and the little yik-yak rambles about it, and we've watched some videos. We give our thoughts on those videos, and may do a video later down the road using it. So I don't know, but this is an unboxing. We're going to hear some kind words about our channel from me and our fine sponsor, ScaleFinishes.com. So we're going to roll that footage, and we'll be right back. Greetings, model community on the YouTubes, and ladies and gentlemen, thank you for stopping in and watching our videos. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, liking, sharing, subscribing, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go round, as Mr. Sean says. So we're going to roll that clip right now from ScaleFinishes.com, because Mr. Jameston was kind enough to give us a discount code, which is Eclectic10, to get discount, 10% discount on all your purchases. So let's roll that clip, and we'll see you in the main video. Thank you for stopping by. Blah 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 blah. Hi, welcome back. Thank you for sticking around, and remember, use that promo code Eclectic10 for your total purchase. You get 10% off your total purchase on ScaleFinishes.com. Talking is hard when you're old. So there's lots of things, but just saying. So let's switch it to another camera. The overhead camera, by the way. So hang on, here we go. You've seen this featured on a lot of other channels. Joe's Big Sky model builds, Minnie's model builds, Grandpa Mark's hobbies, and other channels. Channels that I'm not subscribed to, or that I've not watched. But this one's mine. I bought this out of my pocket, just to be clear. Not a paid sponsor. Kind of wish, but hey, you know, they can't sponsor everybody, I guess. This is that new ambitious series Airbrush Compressor kit. Of course, it comes with the classic series CS36 airbrush, the Serenair air compressor, which is what I really want. It has the buttons that controls everything. You've seen the videos. I'm excited to use this. I keep hearing good things. My buddy Mark says I'm going to fall in love with it. He's actually put his big compressor up. Yeah, and he has one of those dual port Gaahleri ones. He says he doesn't use it anymore. He's stuck in a closet or under the desk or somewheres. But anyway, he uses this exclusively now. So let's get this open as we turn everything over into yeah. Oh, well, other projects. So let's see if we can get this cut open. Man, I know that blade's dull. I didn't think it was that dull. No, I'm not saving the wrapper on this one. I normally save the wrapper, but this box will be put up inside another box with the Oh, the other Gaahleri empty boxes. Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you want a shop card, there's the email address. Send me a message and we'll get one out to you as soon as possible after the first of the year. Just saying. So let's get this opened up. Or are they like all their other boxes? This one's actually coming open. It's coming open. It's there. It's there. Almost there. There it is. Yay! Their boxes are flat. It's a shame to put it up. But anyway, here's the quick start guide. Has all your information, how to, all the button configuration, what all the stuff does, how to start using your paintbrush right away. I encourage you to get a quick disconnect. You get that on Amazon. If I remember, I'll try to put a link in down below. The ones I buy, they're all the same. Or you can get them from Gaahleri or your favorite hobby store. I'm sure probably has them. So it gives you how to clean, kind of an issue, what it looks like. Either it's too thin, perfect, or if it's too thick, it's spitting. And that's the one I look for. The too thin-ish, and I kind of got that covered. But it tells you how to backflush and all that cool stuff. How to clean your needles, adjust things. Then here's some. Excuse me. So here's different languages. I mean, I guess that's German or something. Anyway, it's a multi-language book. Just another fine touch that Gaahleri does, I'm telling you. This company never ceases to stop amazing me. Anyhow, as you can see, here's what's in this box. We got the compressor, the airbrush, cup. There's the holders, airbrush holders, which I probably will not use. There's a wall wart. What is something? You can't have anything today without a wall wart. So I'm just saying. Here's that cool airbrush. It's got a 0.38 needle in it. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it. Marco, Grandpa Mark's hobby son, took his same kit, put it together. I think this is the same airbrush he used. I mean, you know, there's I mean, it's just, they're, yeah, top notch. I mean, there's not a thing you can say bad about them. Of course, the first thing you want to do is take them apart and clean them, but we're not going to be doing that right now. So this is just an unboxing. It's got the round button on it. And I'm sure this is probably the same one as the 39 uses. So you could probably interchange that new square brush. I would probably do that myself. I'm under the assumption that it uses the uses the same needle and seat that the other brushes do. I know there's somebody screaming at me right now. What are you doing? Well, I'm trying to put that back in that hole. Now I'm not going to do it. So let's pull the needle back. I screw mine on from the bottom like this. Push the needle back in and tighten it up. It looks like it's okie dokie. We may spray some thinner through it or something. It does not come with the connector, because the hose, I'm adjusting the stop to where just, there we go, just hits the back. That's the way I like it. And of course, there's the air hose underneath. I will be using a quick disconnect in one of my hoses, most likely. Yeah, I've not thrown that orange knife away because that's what it's good for. Opening stuff. It ain't good for modeling anymore. But it has 2 ports. Not that I'd be using 2 ports. Like I said, these go on here. I may use them. I'll go ahead and stick them on there because somebody out there is crying. Well, you got to put them on there. Well, no, you don't. But hey, they're there. Okay. All right. I'm not going to drag mine out right now. That is not their usual foam stuff. That's plastic coated. Or coated plastic. Alright, we're done with you for now. But still, it's a nice heavy box. Well, dump some alcohol in it. That's what we'll do. I don't have to get any because I got some right there. And it fits right in there nicely. I've been keeping the caps on because everybody says I need to. I just stick them on the back end. That way I don't lose it. But yeah, it fits right in there nicely. And I realize that's plastic. But that's okay. I'm excited to use this. I was going to do this tonight because it's midnight. I thought, you know what? I want to open this up because I want to use it tomorrow. So I need to do this video. Because I got a hood to fix and some other primer work I need to do. And I want to use this air compressor. Okay, and it's plugged in. Oh. Well, hang on a second. I'm going to have to stand up after all because I moved this mic over here and I can no longer reach that without standing up. That's okay. But this is just 70% Ollie's alcohol. I know somebody makes it. We'll put some alcohol in there and we can spray it out in the air. It won't hurt anything. There you go. See, we got alcohol in it. And did you hear that? Ooh. Listen. That was how fast it started. That says it's, I guess it defaults to 21. We got a paper towel here. It's a nice pattern, you can see it. And now it's rubbing alcohol. It's just water. I ain't worried about it. There's 15 pounds. And max pressure, 27 pounds. But I don't know what they got in there, but it sure does, you know, the part I'm excited about this is that it's small. And I don't have to crank a knob. My old authorized cans are getting tired of that. Next one down. Next one down. I like the way that one sounds. 23. 19. 17. Of course, and then 15. Wow. That's just simply cool. We go straight to max pressure to blow all of it out. So, if that didn't clean it out, nothing will. That's alcohol. I mean, that's a pretty cool brush too. I like that brush. I'll put it over there on the number 38 side. My brush is separate. I got 38s, 5s, and of course the 1.7. The Black Widow is right next to the Swallowtail, which has got the number 7 needle in it. So yeah, it's... I suppose I'll turn that off first. There we go. That is exciting. That is awesome. There's no cooling fins on it whatsoever. Just Just those holes right there. Hey, warranty's voided if you break that seal and you take it apart. Shame on you. So yeah, this is awesome. And a lot of times I paint with acrylics. You don't always need a spray booze, especially when you're doing fine stuff like right here. I can have this sitting on my bench and do it right here. I don't have to pull out the spray booze because it's acrylic paint. You know, so that's as much of an unboxing. And there you go. Yeah, this is awesome. So we're going to be using this tomorrow, and I may do part of a video on using it tomorrow. I don't know, but there's the unboxing of the Gaahleri new Serenair mini compressor and the CS-39 brush. Or 36, I'm sorry. My bad. I'm bad. So that is just way too cool. So I want to thank Gaahleri for making such an awesome product. I did get another set of the markers. These are awesome markers. If you don't have a set, shame on you. You need to go buy some. Great metallic markers. They after they dry a while, they don't smear like some of the other markers. I'm not sure what they're made out of, and I don't care. To be honest with you, they work. Also bought the new Mobius SP siphon brush. Comes with a 0.3 and a 0.5 millimeter needles. Great company. I can't wait to try this brush out. It may be tomorrow. I don't know. Of course, ain't nothing any better than watching Barbatos wrecks. Gaahleri told him to use these bottles for the new siphon airbrush until they get theirs out. Theirs will be out soon. These were $14 on Black Friday, which is when I bought all this stuff. It was on Gaahlerie's Phase 2 Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever. Yeah. I think it's still going on. This is December 14th, but the time you see this video, it won't be. Anyway, once again, I want to thank Gaahleri for their awesome stuff. And quick guide. They do great work on all their products. Like I said, I only had the one issue myself personally, and it was taken care of within a week. So, top-notch service. Their customer service is just triple A. I mean, that's all there is to say about it. So we look forward to other products they come out with. I don't always buy all of them, but these two are a must-have, especially this one. I seen that on Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. My mouth hit the floor. What can I say? We appreciate each and every one of you as my subscribers, because you subscribe, you come back, you resubscribe because YouTube kicks you out. And well, I want to welcome all the new subscribers. We got 531 today, so look for a special video very soon. I'm going to try to get this out next week along with all my other 10 videos. I'm a glutton for punishment. So, take care, my friends. God bless. Be kind to your neighbors. You don't know when you're going to see them again. So take care. God bless. Thank you to all our service people for taking care of us and keeping us safe in this awesome country, screwed up as it is. But it's still better than most. All I gotta say. We got the freedom to build models. We got awesome public service people that take care of us. Policemen and doctors and hospitals and electric companies and water companies and linemen and just a plethora of all kinds of people. They all need tanks. You know, if I didn't mention the police department, the police officers, they especially need to be thanked. They get so much hate for stuff they do. And yeah, there's not any of them perfect. Nope. There's no such thing as a perfect person in this world. Anyway, catch you in the next video. Thank you to our awesome sponsor, ScaleFinishes.com. Remember, you collected 10 to get 10% off all those awesome products. Yep, I'm done with corporate. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye.